Unit 9, Weather. Part 1. Listen to the dialogue and repeat.
How is the weather?
It's rainy.
Part 2. Listen and repeat.
It is cloudy. It is hot. It is cold. It is windy. It is warm. It is snowy. It is freezing. It is sunny. It is rainy. It is wet.
Part 5. Listen to the dialogue and circle.
Hello, Mary. How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm okay, thank you. Let's drink coffee.
Sorry, I'm in Izmir now.
Okay. How is the weather in Izmir? Is it rainy?
No, it's hot and sunny.
Part 6. Listen to the dialogues and tick. 1,
How is the weather?
It's rainy.
2,
Is it rainy in the desert?
No, it is hot.
3,
How's the weather?
It is warm.
4,
Is it warm in Kars?
No, it is snowy.
Part 9. Listen to the dialogues. Tick or cross. 1,
Is it warm in Paris?
Yes.
Is it rainy in Paris?
No.
2,
Is it snowy in London?
No.
Is it rainy in London?
Yes.
3,
Is it sunny in Dubai?
Yes.
Is it windy in Dubai?
No.
Part 12. Listen and sing the song.
It's hot, it's sunny, I feel happy. It's hot, it's sunny, it's hot and sunny today. It's cold, it's snowy, I feel happy. It's cold, it's snowy, it's cold and snowy today. It's raining.